Hey guys, welcome into today's video. If you're wondering why you're getting higher temps on your graphics card or your computer in general, you might want to clean out your computer as soon as you possibly can. If you think about it, when was the last time that you cleaned out your desktop? Normally you should be cleaning it out every 3 to 6 months to keep it clean and prevent overheating. In the next clip, I'm going to show you my graphics card that overheated last week and how I took care of it. After that, we're going to be cleaning out the rest of my desktop and also be showing you guys the before and after, so stay tuned. That's my GPU fan. And you just turn it off, hold it in 15 seconds, let it power cycle, and then you turn it back on. Give it a minute to relax. Alright, so whenever you get your compressed air can, doesn't matter the brand, just make sure you have this red thing in the nozzle and it actually sprays like that. Do not ever hold it sideways. I'm going to just show you why not to do it. It'll freeze whatever it touches basically. Please never do this ever, holding it upside down and then spraying. Watch closely what comes out. That will freeze your entire computer. You will quite literally brick your system. That means it will become useless completely. So I'll do one more. Anyways, you just want to grab this and then start aiming at the area that needs it the most. Basically anywhere that has a lot of dust like this, built up dust, you're gonna need to spray that area just like this. Do not waste it, as I just did. I'm just showing you guys what to do, what not to do. So use it at your own risk. Okay, so this is the end of part one. I just realized, yes, the back of this is a little bit dirty. If you take a quick look, I just put the air duster on this line, which is supposed to be your filter, for dust, obviously. That is disgusting. So I'm going to take that off. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to be putting a before and after at the end of this video so you guys could see how important it is to clean out your computer. So I'm going to be putting a before and after picture side by side so you guys could see how important it is to clean out your PCs. Here's after I cleaned out the filter. All I use is this simple little brush right here. You could find any bristle and just sweep it back and forth like a broom, basically. That's how you clean that. It's very simple. Alright, so right here in this clip, you want to get a Phillips head screwdriver. You want to find one of these screws. If you have 1, 2, or 3 of them, you could just turn it to the left and unscrew it. As you see me there, just turn off your system. And in this clip, you want to take out your VGA port or cable. And then next thing you want to do is go ahead, look right there, see that red thing? You want to push that towards your motherboard, basically loosen it out, and then you could take out your graphics card just like that. I had to voice over this because there was music playing in the background. So Other than that, here you go. That is so much better already. There's maybe no dust, almost a very little amount. I don't see any dust at all. I'm just making sure everything is clean. Yeah, that's about the best I can get it. Yeah, that's pretty clean, I would say. So all you gotta do is just put it back in your computer and you are good to go. Ooh, I didn't even know that was dust. So in that case, I hope you guys paid attention to that. I just found dust on the PCIe slot. That's basically where your graphics card will go. That could definitely make your graphics card a bit warm as well. So I'm glad I caught that. Turn the power back on. Make sure we get power. Excellent. So, there you go. You just clean out your system. That's what it looks like afterwards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to you new people, moderate, intermediate, whatever you want to call yourself, to computers and whatnot. If this series is helping you, please leave a comment down below. If you want to join our Discord, feel free. Hope it was helpful. See ya.